Students, in the previous class I have explained complement and difference of sets. Difference means A minus B is given by, see, A minus B is a set of all x such that x belongs to A and x does not belong to B. Similarly, B minus A, that is set of all x such that x belongs to A, B and x does not belong to A. Then also we have discussed complement of a set with respect to the universal set. A complement is U minus A, that is set of all x such that x belongs to U and x does not belong to A. Also we have discussed the important properties, that is we have discussed A intersection B complement is A complement union B complement and A union B complement is equal to A intersection B complement. Now let us learn this. Now let us learn the practical problems of sets. So practical problems on problems on union and intersection of sets. Practical problems, union and intersection. See, first let us study cardinal number. Cardinal number. What do you mean by cardinal number? Number of elements of a given set is called the cardinal number. The number of elements, the number of elements of a finite set, number of elements of a finite set A is called the cardinal number. Cardinal number of the set A. Cardinal number of set A and is denoted by or denoted as n of A. Denoted as n of A. So it is denoted as n of A. See, for example, let us write A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This implies n of A is equal to 5. N of A, that is equal to 5. So number of elements present in the set is equal to 5. Now let us study some important formula. See, that is, if A and B are two finite sets, then n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now let us just prove this. Proof is not required, but still for your understanding. See, let us consider this is set A, set B. This is A minus B, A intersection B, B minus A. A intersection B, B minus A. Now totally what is this? A union B. See, we have n of A union B is equal to, what is that A union B? A union B is equal to, see, n of, or we can write, that is set A union B is equal to A minus B union A intersection B union B minus A. B minus A. See, this total, I mean sets A and B together, this is A union B. Okay, together it is A union B. So A union B is A minus B union A intersection B union B minus A. So that is, if you have to find the elements of A union B, first you write the elements of A minus B plus elements of A intersection B plus elements of B minus A. Therefore, n of A union B, n of A minus B, n of A intersection B, n of B minus A. So, that is n of B minus A. Now, take this as equation 1. Take this equation 1. Now, let us consider what is this set A. See, but what is set A? Set A is A minus B union A intersection B. That is set A. What is set A? A minus B union A intersection B. That is n of A is equal to n of A minus B plus n of A intersection B, or n of A minus B equal to n of A minus n of A intersection B. So, what is this n of A minus B? N of A minus B is equal to n of A minus n of A intersection B. Similarly, what is n of B minus A? What is that? See, n of A minus B is n of A minus n of A intersection B. What is n of B minus A? That is n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now, substituting the above in equation 1, what do you get? N of A union B is equal to n of, what is n of A minus B? N of A minus B is equal to n of A minus n of A intersection B plus this n of A intersection B as it is, then plus, what is this n of B minus A? N of B minus n of A intersection B. N of A intersection B cancels. That is, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So, this is a very important formula. Later you can find the applications even in the last chapter, that is probability. So, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, minus n of A intersection B. Note, see, if A and R, let A and B are disjoint sets, be disjoint sets. See, this is A, B, then A intersection B, when two sets are disjoint, what about their A intersection B? Empty. This implies what is n of A intersection B? 0. Therefore, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. It is n of A plus n of B. So, if A and B are any two finite sets, then n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. If A and B are two disjoint sets, then n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. Note, if A, B, C are three finite sets, then n of A union B union C is equal to C, that is, we can write set A, set B, set C. This is A intersection B intersection C. So, we can write it as n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of C intersection A plus n of A intersection B intersection C. So, you may get even problems based on this. Okay. Now, if A, B, C are any three finite sets, then we can write n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of C intersection A plus n of A intersection B intersection C. So, please remember these formulae. Now, we have to work out problems based on these formulae. Say, let us work out problems on this. If x and y are two sets such that x union y has 50 elements, x union y has 50 elements, comma, x has 20 elements and y has 32 elements. How many elements does x intersection y have? Now, x and y are two sets such that x union y has 50 elements. So, n of x union y equal to 50. Next, x has 20 elements, n of x 20, y has 32 elements. So, write n of y 32. See, x union y has how many elements? 50. Actually, what is the meaning? N of x union y is how much? 50. X has 20 elements. So, what is n of x? 20. Y has 32 elements. Therefore, n of y is equal to 32. How many elements does x intersection y have? So, what is this n of x intersection y? How much? So first you have to write down the given terms. What is the given say term? N of x union y, n of x, n of y are given. Now you can write the formula. Say, but n of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. What is n of x union y? 50. This is 20, y 32 minus x intersection y. That is 50, 52 minus x intersection y. Therefore, n of x intersection y is equal to, you bring n of x intersection y to the left hand side, take 50 to the right hand side. So, it is 52 minus 50. Therefore, this is equal to 2. So, we have n of intersection y, that is 52 minus 50, that is equal to 2. Follow this. So, first you have to write down what is given in the problem, convert it into this say representation, then use the formula. Say, if x and y are two sets such that n of x equal to 17, n of y equal to 23 and n of x union y equal to 38, x union y equal to 38. Find n of x intersection y. Find n of x intersection y. So, we have what is n of x? 17. N of y is how much? 23. And what is n of x union y? X union y equal to 38. So, what is n of x intersection y? X intersection y. That is n of x union y. You write the formula, n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. Now, substitute n of x union y 38. What is n of x? N of x is 17. What is n of y? 23. N of x intersection y. Now, this is 38, 40 x intersection y. Therefore, n of this is 40 minus 38, that is equal to 2. One more problem. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi. 250 can speak Hindi. 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English, and 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? How many people can speak both Hindi and English? How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Now, first, let us take, see, we can take, that is take Hindi, that is as H, English as E, because the notations are also required. So, those who speak Hindi, you take it as H. Those who speak English, take it as E. ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿಂದಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ ಅಂತ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾತನಾಡೋರನ್ನ ಇ ಅಂತ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ 400 ಪೀಪಲ್, 250 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಹಿಂದಿ ಅಂದರೆ 250 ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಹಿಂದಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಚ್? ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 250. ಹಾಗೆ 200 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಅದು 200 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯುವುದು? ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇ. ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 200. ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 200. ನಂತರ ಇನ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ 400 ಪೀಪಲ್, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಚ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಇ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 400. Now you have to find how many people can speak both Hindi and English. So, H intersection E is how much? We have to write H intersection E, that is how much. Now, this is, see, N of H union E is equal to N of H, N of E, N of H intersection E. N of H intersection E. What is N of H union E? 400. N of H is how much? 250. N of E is how much? 200. What is N of H in intersection E? We find out this. Now, that is 400, 450 minus H intersection E. Therefore, N of H intersection E is equal to 450 minus 400 is equal to 50. Therefore, 50 people can speak both Hindi and English. Okay, 50 people can speak both Hindi and English. I'll explain one more problem. That is, in a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, comma 52 like tea, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. One of the two drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea? How many people like both coffee and tea? So, first once again read the problem. In a group of 70 people, ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನೂ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೊಂದನ್ನೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಓದಬೇಕು. 52 people like tea and 37 like coffee. So, while writing this, we can write people taking coffee. I write it as C. people taking tea, write it as tea. Now, n of C is how much? How many people take coffee? N of C is 37, correct? Next, 52 take tea. So, what is this N of T? 52. See, each person likes at least one of the two drinks. ಅಂದರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಕಾಫಿ ಅಥವಾ ಟೀ, ದೇ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟೂ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಬೋತ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬರೀ ಕಾಫಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಬೋತ್. ಸೊ ದಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ಬಿ 70. Therefore, we can write C union T, that is equal to 70. That is, the people they like at least one of the two drinks. So, N of C union T is equal to 70. ಈಗ write the formula. ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅದು? ಸಿ A union B ಅಂದರೆ N of A plus N of B. ಹಾಗೆ C union T. What is it? N of C, N of T, N of C intersection T. Now, what is N of C union T? 70. N of C 37. N of T 52. N of C intersection T. So, this is 52, 59, 89. N of C intersection T. ಹಾಗ N of C intersection T 89 minus 70 equal to 19. Therefore, 19 people take both tea and coffee. ಈಗ ಇಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಕೂಡಲೇ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿ ಎ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಎ, ದೆನ್ ಟಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಬಿ. ಆಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸುಲಭ ಆಗೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ, ದೆನ್ N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A union B. But here this is say coffee, that is the spelling begins with the C, so I took it as a C. Then here it is a T, begins with the T, so I took it as a T. Okay, ಯಾಕೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಕಾರಣ. ಬಟ್ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು A B ಇಂದ ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. So, that is left to you. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕನ್ವಿನಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ, you can use such notations. Okay? In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only and not cricket? How many like tennis only but not cricket, How many like tennis only but not cricket? How many like tennis? How many like tennis? See, first 65 in a group of 65 people, okay, in a group of 65 people, we find that 40 like cricket, okay. So, solution. ಈಗ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸಿ. ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ I take it as T. Cricket I take it as C. Tennis I take it as T. Now 65 people. So N of C union T is 65. N of C union T 65. Then 10, 40 like cricket. So N of C 40, 40 like cricket, 10 like both, N of C intersection T 10. How many like tennis only but not cricket? How many like tennis? N of T is not known. N of T is not known. See, N of C union T, N of C, N of T, C intersection T. Okay, C intersection T. Now C union T 65, N of C 40, N of T not known, not given, N of C intersection T 10. ಈಗ 65, 40 minus 10, 30, N of T. N of T 65 minus 30, it is 35. N of T is equal to 35. So people who play tennis, that is 35. Okay, people who play tennis equal to 35. Now let us find how many people they like tennis only but not cricket. See, that is tennis only but not cricket, that is N of T minus C. Tennis only but not cricket ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? N of T minus C. What is it? N of T minus C. But this is N of T minus N of T intersection C. ನಾನು ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನೋಡಿ, N of A minus B is equal to N of A minus N of A intersection B. N of A minus N of A intersection B. So what is N of T minus C? N of T minus C is equal to N of T minus N of T intersection C. Iga, what is N of T? N of T is given, it's, I mean we have calculated, that is 35. What is N of T intersection C? 10. So this is 25. Therefore 25 people like tennis only, they don't like cricket. I mean only tennis, that is people who like only tennis but not cricket is equal to 25. Okay, is equal to 25. Now in a survey of 400, in a survey of 400 students in a school, 100 were listed as taking apple juice. 100 were listed as taking apple juice. 150 as taking orange juice. 150 as taking orange juice. Orange juice. and 75 were listed as taking both apple as well as orange juice. Apple as well as orange juice. As well as orange juice. Find how many students were taking. Find how many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. Neither apple juice nor orange juice. So once again, read the problem carefully. In a survey of 400 students in a school, 100 were listed as taking apple juice. See, right, that is people taking apple juice. I write it as A. People taking orange juice. I write it as B. Okay, orange juice. In a survey of 400 students. So it is a students of a school. Therefore, I am writing this as the universal set. N of U. Okay, because they have not given that out of these say 400 students, they have not given anywhere that they at least they like one of the drinks. They have not given that. So it is the total students of a school. So take it as the union, universal set. N of U equal to 400. Then 100 were listed as taking apple juice. Apple juice means A. So N of A, 100. Then 150 are taking what? Orange juice. N of B, 150. Then 75 both orange and apple. N of A intersection B, that is 70. You have to find N of A complement intersection B complement how much. Andre yake idu A complement intersection B complement. Find how many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. Andre neither apple juice nor orange juice. Eradannu tekollikilla. Those who say the student people who do not like both these juice, apple as well as orange. So illi neither apple juice, that is A complement, the other one B complement. So first we write N of A union B, N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. What is that? N of A? N of A is equal to 100. N of B is what? 150. N of A intersection B, 75. So this is 175. N of A union B, 175. Now I am writing N of A complement intersection B complement. Okay, N of A complement intersection B complement. By that De Morgan's rule, this is N of A union B complement. Nodi, A complement intersection B complement andre A union B complement. Namge idu gottide. A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So what is this N of A union B complement? This is nothing but N of U minus N of A union B. N of U minus N of A union B. N of U 400. This is 175. It becomes 225. Therefore, 225 people neither take like apple or take apple juice nor orange juice. So, first the total strength, that is N of U is equal to 400. So, N of A is 100, N of B is 150, N of A intersection B is 75. So, you have to find N of A intersection A complement intersection B complement, that is equal to N of, first to find N of A union B, next to find N of A complement intersection B complement. By definition, that is equal to N of A union B complement. Why? A complement intersection B complement is A union B complement. Okay. Have you understood this idea? Followed this? So, some more problems from the textbook you have to complete.